Hello everyone! We have here growing carrots from sowing to harvest. Tingnan natin. So you have there, number one is location. Picking the right spot for carrots is crucial. Carrots love sunlight and the best location get at least 6 hours of sun daily. If the spot isn't sunny enough, carrots can turn weak and not so tasty also. They need well-drained soil. Too much water can make the carrot sick. So yan, hanapin ang magandang location sa carrots. Number 2, prepare the perfect plot. Prepare the perfect plot. Yan ang plot niya, sa giliran. Getting your garden soil ready for carrots is like making a cozy home for them. Add lots of good stuff like compost or old well-aged manure to the soil. This makes it better at draining water and gives the carrots the nutrients they need to grow big and healthy. Okay, so yan ang number 2. Prepare the perfect plot. So, i-plot muna ang lupa. Number 3. Sow wisely. When it's time to plant your carrot seeds, it's like picking the right friends for your garden. Choose carrot types that like the weather, where you live, and when you want to harvest them. Plant the seeds right in your garden, not too close and not too far apart. Yan. So, pagtanim, hindi masyadong masikip. Dapat may distansya para makatubo ng maayos. Number 4, thinning is winning. After your carrot seedlings pop up and grow a few real leaves, it's time for a little garden makeover. Thinning, which means making some space between the seedlings, is the giving them room to stretch and grow strong. So, pag lumalago na siya, yung mga unnecessary leaves sa may puno, pang-alisin para makaginhawa ba? Para may air na magdaan at mas lalong lumaki ang kanyang mga roots, mga unod. Five, water wisely. Watering the carrots is like giving them a refreshing drink. Keep the soil around them comfortably moist, especially when they're just starting to grow. Think of it as ensuring their soil is like a cozy damp blanket. Yan, ayan. Kailangan diligan din siya. Kailangan moist palagi. Number 6, feed for flavor. Feeding your carrots is like serving up a tasty meal for them to grow strong and delicious. Use a balanced fertilizer. It's like a buffet of goodness for your carrots. Feed them once or twice during the season, just like you water your plants regularly. Okay, so yan, apply also fertilizer, no? Feed for flavor. 7, weed warriors. Weeds are like those annoying classmates hugging the equipment. To keep your carrots strong and shiny, you gotta be a weed warrior. Gently clearing out these unwanted guests. Go gentle first when hand weeding. So, kailangan ding linisan, no? Linisan ang mga carrots natin. Alisin ang mga weeds para maganda ang tubo at ang kanyang unod, kanyang roots. 8. Pest patrol. Okay, yan. Ang sira na siya. So, ano ba ang pest patrol? Watch out for little troublemakers like carrot flies, flea, beetles, and aphids in your carrots gum. This tiny pest can mess with your carrots, but no worries. You can use natural tricks to keep them in check. Yan. Kailangan mag-apply ka din ng anong tawag doon? Mga pesticides para sa mga pesti. 9. Companion planting. Ano bang companion planting? Planting buddies for your carrots can be like having superhero sidekicks in the garden. Bring in herbs and flowers like dill, chives, rosemary, and nasturtium. They're the real friends your carrots need. These special buddies aren't just there for looks. They scare away the bad bugs that might bother your carrots. Okay. So, kailangan ka din mag ng mga companion plants or mga undercrops siguro. Yun, ang mga, parang mga herbs ang ilagay para mag-alis daw mag-alisan yung mga peste, hindi mag-thrive doon. 10. Mulch magic. Okay. Give your carrots a cozy blanket of mulch. It's like tucking them in for a good night's sleep in the garden. Spread straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves around them, creating a protective layer. This mulch magic keeps the soil nice and damp, so your carrots stay hydrated without getting too wet. Okay, so yan ang kaganahan ng mulch magic. Pag nagdilig ka, pag may mulch, hindi daling matuyo. Keep moist ang punuan niya. Kasi matakpan man ng mga mulch, ng mga tuyong dahon, mga chips ng kahoy, or ano pa. 11. Harvest time. It's carrots harvest time. After planting, wait for 60 to 90 days. And then it's shoot time. Gently pull the carrots from the ground when they're just the right size. Not too big, not too small. Yan, harvest time na. Enjoy na kay harvest time na. Number 12, harvesting hacks. Ano bang harvesting hacks? When it's time to gather your carrots, here are some handy tricks. Twist and pull. Hold the carrot's green top and give it a gentle twist. This helps loosen it from the soil, making it easier to pull out without damaging the roots. And use a fork. If the soil is tough and compacted, grab a fork. Carefully loosen the soil around the carrot with the fork before pulling it out. This prevents any accidental breakage or damage to the carrot. Okay, so yan. So yan ang trick niya para maganda ang mga harvest nun, di pasira. Kung tough siya, gani siya, gamitan ng fork, parang parang tinidor good na garden tools. So, ilusin mo na yung paligid na yung lupa. Then, dahan-dahan, ipul, bunutin. Para di masira ang mga roots. Okay, so those are the things on growing carrots from sowing to harvest. Thank you for watching. Follow and share. God bless.